To begin, bring the thread out through point 1. Now put the needle back in near point 1 and bring it out through point 2, but don't pull the needle out completely. Now, loop the thread around the needle, like we would do in chain stitch. Pull out the needle and thread to tighten the loop. To secure this petal, make a small stitch over the loop by putting the needle in through point 3 to anchor it down. You now have your first stitch completed. Continue making stitches in this way, working around the center point. It consists of a single loop of chain rather than a continuous pattern. This stitch is often used to make petal shapes and small leaf patterns. Lazy Daisy is one of the extremely easy stitches. This embroidery stitch is great for making anything with a teardrop shape. Use a Lazy Daisy stitch when you want to make small, daisy-like flowers. You can also use it to make raindrops or small leaves.